Welcome to the Bear Claw installation. Here we go. I have my assistant here, Stacey.
Hi.
And she'll present you how to install the Bear Claw.
That Bear Claw tool, rubber mallet. This tool is specifically made to hold these clips. And you see when we install it, it gives you a really nice 1/8 of an inch gap. These work amazing for PVC boards, but only PVC, not composite. Lay the clip there on the joist. Simple as that. Once they're all installed, grab your drill.
So this is a stainless steel screw. You're supposed to go at a slow motion, not the fastest setup, at least go number 2. So that way you don't strip any of the screws. And go down straight.
Nice and easy. Once you're all screwed in, grab your next board.
So now this step here, you have options. You can either have a 2x4 or 2x6 using it as a breaker board, so you can actually hammer on it so you don't damage the board, or you can use a rubber mallet. And here's Stacey again.
So the tool comes with a 2 to 4 pound rubber mallet, but when banging in the board, I like to use something a little heavier. 4 or 5 pounds.
So you can see she's putting her feet on the board to control basically the height of the board so the clip goes into the board instead of going over the board. That's it, guys. So the next step is put more clips and you just keep going until you're done. So hopefully this helped everybody on understanding how to install the Bear Claw clip. Again, if you need any information, call your friendly deck store and I'm sure we can get you all that information for you. But again, it's as simple as that. As you can see, here we go. Stacey's going at it again. And here's the Bear Claw clip going. And that's that.